I don't know if he would bite me or what he would do, but thank God for that milk. And in my car. He's got me trapped in the car. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, fine. And he's out this window now. There he is. Okay. He's like circling around my car. There he is in the front, waiting for me to come out. Oh my God, there he is. Wait, get out of the car. Well, I mean, I would not want to be the people living here. Thank you very much. I'm shaking. If the camera's shaking, it's because I'm shaking. My arm is shaking because I'm scared of that turkey.